Hey, Daddy.
Hey, B.
What are we cooking today?
Oh, we're cooking up some of them loaded hot dogs. Watch this here. We're gonna drop down a stick of butter like that. So we're gonna take some of them ballpark hot dogs, B. Cut that pack open like that. Shoo, reach in there, grab us one of them hot dogs. What we're gonna do, B, we're gonna split it this way. Loaded up hot dogs today on Southern Boys Outdoors. I mean, we got them hot dogs all cut up. Gonna drop them down in there. Ooh. Loaded B starting to get them hot dogs all browned down. Look at that. Woo! Man, loaded up hot dogs here. They come right here. All right, y'all, first up, we're going to hit it with 2 cans of that Wendy's chili with beans, y'all. With beans. Get that down in there. All right, then we're going to hit it with a can of that Rotel, baby. That Rotel down in there like that. Oh. We're going to hit it with that Southern Boy seasoning right there. Woo! Doctor it up, doctor it up. Telling y'all, loaded hot dogs today here on Southern Boys Outdoors. It just don't get no better than this right here, baby. Now we're gonna hit it with that cheese. Look at this. Ooh, just drop cheese all over it like that. Look at that, Randy. Ooh, it ain't easy being cheesy. Dump it all in there, like that. Now we just want to push that cheese around a little bit like that, B. Here we go. Got some of them Fritos. Got that center bus hot dog bun on there. Here we go. We're gonna drop them hot dog on there. Ooh, get it all down in there like that, B. Now watch this, B. Come in here, get you some of that chili, drop right over the top of it like that. Ooh, and come in here, put it right over them Fritos like that. Get a little bit more over them Fritos like that.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, B.
What are you doing?
Made them loaded up hot dogs today. Look at that, B. Got that center bus hot dog bun. Drop that hot dog down in there. Put that chili over it with that cheese and stuff. Got them Fritos on the side. Watch this, B. Gonna hit it with that Southern Boy seasoning. Look at that right there. Get me up one of them Fritos out there. Man. Hey, I'm telling you right now, y'all, you gotta try these loaded up hot dogs. 4th of July is right around the corner. You want to make something different for the 4th of July, you gotta hit your family with the loaded up hot dogs by Southern Boys Outdoors. Because I'm telling you right now, it just don't get no better than this right here.